Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I have this unboxing of these really cool looking Bluetooth wireless headphones. The brand name is Voxoa, and there are nothing but good reviews on these headphones. There are few reviews on YouTube, but all the reviews that are out there are really good about these headphones. Not only battery life, quality, look. So just to give you guys a quick idea here of the box, this is how the box looks like. Voxoa HD wireless headphones. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing right now. All right guys, and before we start with the unboxing, let's take a quick look here at the back of the box and see what they advertise. Some of the specifications: sound pressure level, independence, frequency response, Bluetooth 4.0. They are NFC technology. There is a AAC codec support, built-in aptX for CD quality audio streaming, HD voice and hands-free, echo cancellation. Battery life, the battery capacity is 430 milliamp, and as far as the music play time, they're advertising 16 hours. Charging time, it's about 3 hours. And this is what's included right here in the box. As you guys can see, of course, the headphones, one micro USB charging cable, one line in cable 3.5 millimeter, carrying pouch, a quick start guide, warranty and registration card. So let's go ahead and open the box. So this is how the box looks like inside. Here are the actual headphones, and let's see what else is included here. It looks like this should be the USB cord, the carrying pouch. Here it is, the USB cord, also the audio jack cord, and here's all the instruction, quick start guide. Here's a carrying pouch. It actually looks really nice. It feels really nice material, and we see the Voxoa branding on the front of the bag. So let's go ahead and put this aside and take a look at the headphones. All right, we don't need these right now. And here are the headphones, guys. Let's see what we have here. We see the Voxoa name right here on this side. On the other side, I'm assuming this is an on and off button right here, not quite sure yet. I see two controls right here, plus and minus. This should be for the volume up and down. On the bottom of this side, we see the access to a USB port, 3.5 millimeter audio jack. And on the back of this side, we also see the back and forth buttons for the music, as well as the place and pause button. So pretty much everything is going on right here on this side. As far as the ear pads, as you guys can see, they look super comfortable. They feel really comfortable, at least to the touch. I need to put this on and see, but so far they feel super nice. Also, we see more padding right here. There's nothing on the top. As far as the finish on these headphones, it's kind of like a matte black finish. There is the NFC logo, and of course you can extend the headphones. This is plastic right here. That's one downside. I wish it was metal. You can fold the headphones, so this is a really nice feature. They're kind of compact, they're light, not heavy at all. Here's a close-up, guys, at the ear pads. As you guys can see, they look really nice. I actually like this metallic finish that we see right here all the way around. It makes it look really business looking, really nice looking, good quality. So let me go ahead and turn this on and pair it to the phone and see how they sound like. Alright guys, when it comes to the pairing, basically we're gonna press this button right here for a couple of seconds. As you guys can see, there is a light flashing at the bottom, so we're in the pairing mode. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S5, and as you guys can see, there's the name right there, Voxoa headphones. We're gonna tap right there and pair. And as you guys can see, we are connected. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I have the headphones on right now. I'm actually listening to the music. As far as the quality, they sound amazing, amazing quality. I believe they have 40mm drivers. The ear cups are super comfortable. One thing I don't like at all, it's the space that we have right here between the headband and my head. I don't like that space at all. Other than that, I think the headphones looks actually pretty cool. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how they look like from the side and from the back. So I'm gonna go outside. I want you guys to see them from different angles. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk with the headphones. Alright guys, time to give you my final conclusions and thoughts. I just want to show you quick, take a look at where the volume of my phone is. It's actually really low, and to be honest with you, the sound right there, it's perfect. It's super clear. The mids, lows and highs are perfect. The bass doesn't overpower the other frequencies. The headphones looks nice except for the space right here. I don't like it, but other than that, you know, you get an amazing 16-hour battery life. Nice looking headphones. The ear cup, it's super comfortable. You can fold them, easy to carry around, nice look. Very comfortable headphones, $79. One thing to mention, guys, the ear cup rotates 360 degrees for more comfort. So guys, with that, I want to thank you for watching this video. Any questions, comments, let me know. These are really good Bluetooth wireless headphones. I don't know if I would recommend these for exercising. Maybe they're not gonna stay there if you're moving a lot, but other than that, they sound really good and they are very comfortable and they look super good. So guys, thank you. Please share the video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.